everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I take care of my hair when I am on a vacation. I get bombarded in comments whenever I upload a travel video, whether it's Konkan or Goa, anywhere I upload a travel video. The only comment I get is, Shruti, how did you take care of your hair? How is your hair looking so good? What did you do to your hair? So in this video, I'm gonna answer all these questions and everything that I carry in my travel bag. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. The first thing which is very important is location. How I take care of my hair and what I pack in my luggage is always based on the location. Whether it's a beachside location, a touristy place where I have to travel a lot, walk a lot, or it's a place where I have to ride a lot. ऐसे भी places होते हैं, trek करना होता है. So ये सारे situations के हिसाब से I like to pack and plan how I'm gonna take care of my hair. Let's tackle beach location first because मैंने ज़्यादा vlogs उसी के डाले हुए हैं and I personally like beaches. And it can definitely get a little tricky because you go in the ocean, you go in the pool, your hair is getting all wet. What do? Yeah, let's tackle that first. I know a lot of curly girls get very hesitant when it comes to water. Should I go in the water or not? My hair is gonna get all ruined. What do I do with my hair? Do not worry about it, especially ocean water. If it's salty water, it goes hand in hand. It goes really well with your curls. Your curls are gonna look absolutely beautiful without any products in it. Trust me with this. Beach salt water just gives you the most beautiful natural curls. It's just gonna accentuate your natural beautiful curls. So don't worry about it. Go on the beach and enjoy yourself. That does not mean you're not gonna wash your hair, right? Of course, when you get back to your hotel, you're gonna wash your hair because you need to get that sand and dirt off your scalp. So of course, the first thing you're gonna do is shampoo and condition your hair. Now personally, I do not like to carry shampoo and conditioner with me. I either like to purchase it when I reach to that location or I like to carry it from here if by chance जहाँ पर मैं location जा रही हूँ बहुत ही remote है and I might not get it. अगर ऐसा situation रहा तो I like to carry it. And the only thing I like to carry is 1 rupee वाला वो जो पैकेट आता है sachets आता है shampoo और conditioner का वो वाला. CG friendly sachets तो मिलने वाला है नहीं जो आप products use करते हो especially for curly hair. It's not easily available in the market. Sachet तो दूर की बात है. So I like to take whatever is available in the markets. Personally, I like to use Tresemme or Dove का 1 rupee वाला sachet shampoo and conditioner. So that's the only thing I like to apply on my hair. I don't like to rely on the hotel वाला shampoo and conditioner because I personally don't know what they're using. आप hand wash भी डाल के दे सकते हैं. You never know. So better रहेगा to use that 1 rupee वाला sachets that comes. You can easily get it off of market. Also, जो आप shampoo और conditioner use करते हो घर पे, the bottles are very big. It gets too hassle, to carry such a big bottle in your luggage. Also, sometimes it might even explode in your bag. अगर आपने cap ठीक से लगाया नहीं होगा तो that's another hassle that I do not want to get into. So I'm gonna go shampoo and condition my hair and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, I just got out of the shower. I've shampooed and conditioned my hair and detangled it. And for the products, as I said earlier, you can literally use any shampoo and conditioner that you like or you have carried it with you. The next step is styling your hair. Now for stylers, I would say definitely carry a leave-in conditioner with you. No matter what, if you forget shampoo, conditioner, जो भी है कुछ भी नहीं लेके गए तो भी एक product जो मैं बोलूँगी और suggest करूँगी कि लेकर जाओ आप लोगों के साथ is a leave-in conditioner. The one that I carried with myself is this one. This is Arata ka curly hair cream. This is a leave-in conditioner by the way and look at it, it's so small. This is the main reason why I carried it because it's so small and great travel friendly भी है. And when I went to Goa, मैंने literally कुछ भी नहीं carry किया था उस दिन. Not even leave-in conditioner, literally nothing. The only thing I carried was a comb. And I did use one hack over there that I would like to share with you. Now as I said, I didn't carry any leave-in conditioner but I could see as my hair was drying it was getting a little frizzy. So I ended up using a moisturizer on my hair. This is the one that I used. Now I'm not suggesting to use a moisturizer on your hair. This was desperate time for me and I really needed something to moisturize my hair. So I used a moisturizer as my leave-in conditioner and it actually worked pretty well for me. But this time around when I went for Konkan ka trip, I did carry a leave-in conditioner and this is the one I used. I had not used this before just because it was small, मैंने carry कर लिया था and I was really surprised with the kind of कर्ल्स आई एंडेड अप गेटिंग, सो आई वुड हाईली रेकमेंड बिकॉज ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा छोटा है एंड बहुत ही अच्छा काम करता है. सो आई एम गोना टेक like a good amount of it and emulsify in your hand and rake it in. Now when you're applying a leave-in conditioner, make sure that your hair is not dripping wet but damp. As you can see, my hair is not dripping wet but it's good enough damp. And make sure कि आपके बाल dry नहीं हो रहे हैं. If you feel that your hair is getting dry, go ahead and re-wet it. कर्ली हेयर प्रोडक्ट्स या फिर जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स आप यूज़ करोगे कर्ली हेयर के लिए, मेक श्योर यू आर यूजिंग इट ऑन डैम्प हेयर ताकि आपको रिजल्ट्स दिखे. This will help and make sure that your hair is not gonna dry frizzy. When I was in Goa, मैंने leave-in conditioner अप्लाई किया वैसे ही मैंने मेरा मॉइस्चराइजर अप्लाई किया था और बाकी के सारे आगे के स्टेप्स जो भी रहने वाले हैं इट्स गोना बी द एब्सोल्यूट सेम. दिस इज फॉर इमरजेंसी पर्पस, अगर आपने लिटरली कुछ भी नहीं कैरी किया है एंड द ओनली थिंग यू हैव इन योर हैंड इज अ मॉइस्चराइजर, यू कैन डेफिनेटली यूज इट ओनली फॉर 1 time or 2 or 3 times, not every single day or not every single wash day. Please, I would highly recommend not to do this every single wash day, okay? Now the next step according to my routine is supposed to be a gel, but while I'm traveling and while I'm on vacation I do not carry a gel because simply I'm gonna go in the water, I'm going in the pool and I have to redo my hair any which way, so it makes no sense. If you're going places where you're just traveling, you're not gonna get in the water, it's not a beach location or something like that, then you could definitely carry a gel, but I personally do not carry a gel. And another very important is to carry something to comb your hair with. Now this thing I got off of Nykaa. Now it's a detangling thing. You can detangle your hair, you can style your hair, you can do a lot of stuff with just this small little tiny thing. Now if you don't have this, you do not have to sweat. You can literally use anything, a white tooth comb, a detangler, a brush, literally anything that you have with yourself. You can also use a Denman brush if you have it, or like a flexi brush, literally anything, but make sure that you carry at least one brush. You will definitely need it. Now before my hair dries off, I'm gonna quickly style it. Now I don't like to go ahead section by section and everything. You're on vacation, you want to make sure that this gets done as soon as possible, so I'm just gonna put all my hair down and comb it out once. At this point again, if you feel your hair is lacking moisture, you can add in water. Okay, I just applied a little bit of water because I felt my hair was dry. Now I like to do this in front of a sink जहाँ पर मुझे पानी के लिए access हो easily. Now I'm recording it, so I'm over here, but I would recommend कि sink के सामने आप करो, so it will be much easier. And yeah, that's the only thing I'm gonna do. Next, I'm just gonna shake my hair just like this. Don't touch the length, just near the roots, and give it a nice shake. ताकि आपके कर्ल्स सेपरेट हो. Now once you have done this, the next part is scrunching. This is very important. This is gonna save your hair. So scrunch away, and all you need to do is pick it up and give it a scrunch. Good scrunch. And I like to do all of these steps putting my hair upside down. This gives me volume once my hair is nice and dry. I like to keep the styling part short, 10 minutes max. When you're on vacation, you really don't want to be doing your hair for 45 minutes or 1 hour straight. You just want to be in and out of the shower. So this routine is great for people who are in a hurry and especially for vacation. Okay, I did this for a minute or 2. My curls are looking good. Next, I'm gonna start drying my hair. Again, I'm gonna do this like this with my hair upside down. Please ignore my t-shirt, it's wet because of my hair. Okay, the dryer I like to use is this little guy. This is also from the Remington brand and I like it because it's nice and small. The only difference between this little guy and the big one that I have is वो ज़्यादा जल्दी dry करता है आपके बाल, and this one will definitely take a little longer, but this is great for, you know, vacation purposes. So that's the reason I like to carry this little guy. Now, the places where I went for Konkan as well as my Goa trip, majority of the hotels did have a blow dryer. So I would suggest कि एक बार check कर लो आपके hotels जहाँ पर भी आपने book किया है, do they provide blow dryers in your room, and if yes, then you do not have to carry this. I was stupid enough to not ask and I did carry it. एक extra luggage हो गया हमारे पास carry करने के लिए, which I didn't have to. So डबल चेक कर लेना. आपका जो एयर ड्राई होके बाल निकलेगा और जो ब्लो ड्रायर काम करेगा, इट विल बी very different. The result is much better. That's the reason I would highly recommend carrying a blow dry with you. And I'm gonna start off drying my roots first. My roots definitely feel a little drier. Now, do you see the volume? My hair is not dry yet. This length is definitely weighing my hair down. So let's work on the length now. And for length, I like to pull it on one side. Keep my one hand over here. And then blow from this side. Not go in the opposite direction and create frizz. Always point it like this and dry your hair. Use my hand as the diffuser. Pick your hair up, blow dry it. This will be the last and final way you style your or blow dry your hair, okay? And whoa! Do you see the amount of volume I just got? Obviously it's gonna tame a little bit more throughout the day, but if you let your hair air dry naturally when you're on vacation, it's gonna take hours and you do not have that kind of a time. So this one just expedites the process a little faster and also gives you a really good voluminous beautiful curls, and you are just ready to get out of the room at ASAP. I'm gonna get ready now and I'll show you guys the final result after. So these are the results. Look at it. I'm very happy with it. Look at the volume. Look at my curls. They are looking so pretty. By no means these are perfect. Of course, if I do the whole routine, the curls are gonna look 10 times better. But this is great for a vacation look and I'm not complaining. It does have a little bit of frizz here and there and few curls are a little wonky, a little bit straight. But the overall result, I'm very happy with. It's gonna take less time, less effort and less product. What else do you need, right? And I am absolutely in love with this. No matter where I'm going, whether it's a beach location or touristy place or a place where I have to ride a bike, the products that I take are almost similar and the routine that I do is almost similar. The only problem when it comes to a place where I have to ride a lot of bike is the hair is always gonna get dusty, dirty and tangled. I would highly recommend to carry a scarf or something to protect your hair, as well as goggles to protect your eyes and something that will cover your whole face. Much important. That is something that I always have in my bag depending on the location that I'm going. And if possible, always wear a helmet on top of the scarf that will protect the scarf and not fly off. Scarf kitna bhi aap tight bandh lo, scarf because of the air ka pressure, it always gets off. At least that's the case with me. So I always like to put a helmet on top of it that will keep it protected. With the amount of air pressure it suffers, it's gonna get bad. It's gonna get stretched out, it's gonna get tangled. So you have to wash your hair. So jo bhi routine hoga, plan it accordingly. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, because whenever I upload any travel kind of a video, the most important comment I get is, Shruti, how do you take care of your hair while you're on vacation? What do you do? What do you use? So hopefully this video was very helpful to you guys, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And with that said, the comment shout out goes to Sonal Dalvi Matyas. Sonal, that is such a cute comment. Thank you so much. It means a lot, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to floor the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.